money, Daddy.
What up, what up, what up? So D back with another video. And today we got that Nerf rifle, Jupiter 19-1000. Now, I don't know with the whole numbering and numeral letters and everything, this Nerf stuff, but hey, listen, I guess you gotta distinguish it somehow. But it's the Edge series, and it looks like a big sniper rifle. So it comes with a targeting system, 10 rounds, high velocity, says 90 feet per second. So, and it's spring action, so no batteries. Let's crack this thing on open. Let's get in here and see what it look like. Whew. So we got a lot to give now. You know what I mean? Alright, so this one looks a little bit different. The last one I have another targeting system, looks a little different. So we got the gun here. We got a part of the targeting system. Let's get this out. You really put a lot of rubber bands in here. We got the tripod. We got here. We got the legs for the targeting system. And we have the presentation bullet. I like how they do these presentation bullets, I ain't gonna lie. So you got the presentation bullet, and then inside here, you have the rest of the bullets. So we got 10 rounds all in all, and instructions. Alright, so let's set this thing up. See how it do. See what it look like. And the targeting system is really really unique. I think it makes a noise, a pinging noise. I'm gonna put it together and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, set it all up. And I'm not gonna front. Putting this thing together really surprised me. I'm getting back into the Nerf gun scene, and like I always say, anything that I get is what I'm unboxing. So I'm not trying to follow up a particular wave, but this Nerf gun, to me, this sniper rifle is official. I haven't shot it off yet, but I like the targeting system. First of all, it has a little ping. So every time you hit it, I like the design of the gun. Got a little stock here, you can adjust it. So that means that you can lay down on your stomach. Has the legs right here for the tripod. You can adjust it up and down. Got yourself a little sight. And it's bolt action, so the lever here, pull it back, and just put it forward. So, and here's the window here to see your ammunition, how many rounds you have left. I like the color scheme. I would customize and paint it differently, but I ain't into all that part yet. But let's take it down the range. Let's bust off some shots and see how it works. All right, down the range of my hallway. All right, we'll zoom in and go down to the target. So here we are. I'm gonna take a couple of shots. I'm gonna do a couple of shots standing up. Now I'm doing a couple shots laying down with the tripod. Give me a minute, stretching the legs out for the tripod. All right. Woo. It's pulling a little bit to the left. I have to compensate. That was my last shot. All in all, I like it though. I like the design. I like the way it fires. It's bolt action, so this basically takes a little time to get used to, and it is kind of hard pulling it back, but once you get used to it, you'll be alright, because you gotta pull it back and push it forward. Top load, slide the balls in there. No storage for any extra ammo. You have to carry that on you. Has safety, down for lock, up for fire, and the trigger pull feels real good. Tripod comes in, I think it's 4 different stages. No, 5. 5 different stages. So you could adjust it 5 different ways. So it's pretty dope. I like it. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would. And it's even small enough for a child to hold. But cocking it back will be hard. So, you know, this is for like an older child. I would say probably 8 or 9 and up. I didn't really look at the recommendations on the box, but everybody's child is different, so play like you play. All right, I'm out of here. If you have any questions, hit me up, like and subscribe. More videos coming on the way, and I'll holler at y'all later, man. Easy.